What's good, YouTube? Today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can fix this problem right here for Roblox. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, so what you have to do is search up run. So once you search up run, what you have to do is type in app data. Then once you do that, click on OK. Boom. Then it brings you to this page right here. Now from here, what you have to do is click on local. Then once you're in local, what you have to do is scroll down till you find Roblox. It should be after P, so it should be right here or right here. So once you find Roblox, what you do is click on this, click on uninstall, delete it, then just go back, come back to local law, the second one right here, click on this, boom, then you see the Roblox settings right here, click on that, boom, delete that. Then what you have to do is search up Roblox, click on uninstall, then just uninstall it, right? You have to do just reinstall it back and your stuff should be good and your Roblox should be good. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe.